you make some slime. So first, what you need is to pour some glue into your bowl, just like this. Okay, that seems like enough. Pour it in, just like this. Okay, that's good. Stop pouring. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have our glue. Then what you need is some baking soda. Then you need some contact solution. I'll be right back to get it.
You want to go, bro? All right,
I'll sit down for now. Okay, sorry about that background noise. That's my family fighting against each other. But okay, so pour the baking soda in about this much. Crap, that's too much. Then you just sprinkle the contact solution over just a little bit. Then you need a mixer. There's the one thing I don't have. This spoon, nope. This knife, because it needs to be metal, because it's hard. Then you gotta start mixing it. Just keep on mixing it for a while. If it's too wet, put more baking soda on. Too dry, put contact solution. And then as you mix, it'll start to get slimier and slimier. This is just like the basicest, the most basic recipe for slime created in the history of slime. You just gotta mix and mix and mix. And don't stop believing, kids. Don't stop believing. Never stop believing, because it will end up as slime. It's just very... Stop it, Matthew! It's a very simple recipe. As you can see, Matthew... basically turning more slime and slime. I'm just gonna hold the camera over. See, you can see it's getting slimier and slimier. Yeah. Okay. There. Just keep mixing. Then you get slime. Went from glue to this awesome slime. All right, goodbye. I didn't mean goodbye. This is the second part. It ends up like this. I know it doesn't look like this, but mix it up and pick it all up from the bowl and just like play around with it. You'll be able to do this satisfying thing. And you can do it with more glue. Just like just multiply all the things you put in this recipe by 2, or however much more glue you put in. Because I made this other one, it's the same recipe and I made a lot more. It's the same glue, actually, I just used a lot more glue. Alright, this is actually bye this time. Bye.